Hello, my little learners. Welcome to Catholic Catechism for Kids, where we learn about our faith in Jesus Christ in simple and fun ways. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every week. So today we're going to learn all about what relics are. Before we begin, let's get comfortable and reverent like we're sitting in class. Okay, you can sit however you want. Just remember to be quiet and attentive so we can learn from each other. All right, where was I? Oh yeah, so today we're going to talk about relics. You may have heard the word relic before, but what does it mean? Relic is anything that helps us remember and feel close to one of the saints. So here at the front of the class, I have a little table with a display case, and inside there are some small items. Relics are a reminder or something left behind, like a keepsake. Now let's think of the word relic. It sounds a little bit like really, doesn't it? Yeah, a relic is something really, really special. When I was younger, I saw a relic of St. Anthony of Padua during a school trip to Padua, which is his tongue. When the coffin was opened on the occasion, it was found that the saint's body had been reduced to ashes, except for a few bones, but his tongue was intact and lifelike. Remember thinking it was amazing to be so close to something from this kind and holy man. Now, in the Catholic Church, a relic is something that reminds us of a saint and helps us feel close to them. A relic could be something that belonged to them, like this rosary, so that might have been used by a saint for prayer. Or a relic could be a small part of a saint's body, like a bone or a piece of hair. Keep in mind that the parts of the body are only relics after the saint has died. Oh, that's a good question. Well, the parts of a saint's body are treated very respectfully and carefully, like a precious treasure. Don't worry, it's not scary. You see, when a person becomes a saint, their body is already with the Lord, and their soul is with Jesus in heaven. Only the physical remains behind, like bones or hair or clothing. Sometimes reliquaries are decorated to show the body part inside, and sometimes they're open so visitors can see the relic inside. We have relics to help us remember and feel close to the saints. Sometimes we can see relics on display in churches, chapels, or shrines. When we visit a shrine, we can pray and ask the saint to intercede for us, so feel inspired to try to be more holy ourselves. There are 3 kinds of relics in the church: a first-class relic, a second-class relic, and a third-class relic. What are the differences between them? Let's find out. First, a first-class relic is a part of a saint's body, like a bone or hair. Remember, this is a part of the saint's body after they have died. Second, a second-class relic is something that belonged to a saint, like clothing or a rosary. And third, a third-class relic is something that touched a first or second-class relic, like a piece of cloth. All right, class is over. Now you know what relics are. Next time you see a relic, remember, it's a treasure that brings us close to the saints. And the best relic you can carry is a heart full of faith. See you next time.